Let's take another search example, this one from the field of history. Let's pretend like we're teaching a library instruction session for a history class. The students in the class need primary source documents on their topics. I know that several students in the class are researching the Battle of Lexington, the first battle of the American Revolution, so let's use that as a search example. I'll type in Battle of Lexington, and I get a scattering of sites, some of which are credible, some of which are not so credible. The students could dig through these to find primary source documents here and there, but maybe it would be better to take a deep web approach to this instruction session. Let's show them the three-step search technique. First, we'll type in the broad subject area, American Revolution in this case, the type of material we want. We could type in perhaps the word primary sources or the word documents, using documents in the general sense for historical text. And then a deep web designator term like database, search engine, or archives. Let's see if anyone's created a really good virtual archive of American Revolution documents out in cyberspace. This first website looks excellent. I click into here, American Archives Documents of the American Revolution, 1774 to 1776, and I find out it was based on a collection created by Peter Force, the famous American bibliographer and collector, and it's sponsored by the National Endowment for the Humanities and Northern Illinois University Libraries. So that sounds like a good, credible site. Let's see how in-depth it is. I'll go into Search and Documents, type in Lexington, give it a test drive. I found dozens of documents about the battle in full text. Here's one about the attack on the inhabitants of Massachusetts by the British troops from 1775. Also see letters and military resources too in here. Notice the differences between the horizontal style Google search I did at first, which found a scattering of hits, and this vertical deep web approach to the search. Instead of starting off searching for the specific Battle of Lexington, I found a virtual archives and then drilled down in that archives to find primary source documents about the topic most students were interested in the class. Notice that this deep web search tool offers in-depth information on the American Revolution, is created by a credible source, and it offers the results in a consistent, convenient format like you see on the screen here. After I show students my library subscription databases, showing them how to find a few free web-based search tools like this can expand their searching power.